What's up, Black Fam, in the garage today? And in here with me, we've got Wes, Face Nectar, and Zuko. All right, guys, so today we're working on the Yamaha MT-09 SP 2021, and we are changing out the mirrors for some really nice what are they? CRG Arrows, right? These ones. So I came across these whenever I borrowed the Yamaha MT-10 from Jason, and he had these on there, so he sent me the link to order them up. So we ordered them, and gonna install them on the MT-09er. You gonna help out, Zuko? No? Okay, that's cool. Oh yeah, good reminder. Drink time. Yeah. Intro, roll it. All right, so let's go ahead and unpackage these things. You want to do the snap? No, you don't even try anymore.
Let me try again.
All right, that's everything that's in the packaging, and I'll go ahead and snap for the unpackaging the rest of it. All right, there we go, everything unpackaged. I'm gonna get that tattooed on me, and nobody's gonna know what it says, but it's gonna say right hand.
Get it tattooed like right here.
Yeah, you can get that one tattooed.
And that one on the other side.
The other one. Here's all the parts, guys. They come with the mirrors. You also have exploded diagram. Pretty detailed there. Pretty awesome. Comes with some stickers as well, some CRG. It's like this basically goes into the bar end, right? It replaces the current bar end. And then some kind of fitting somehow of this there, and the bolt pulling it, expanding it, and sticking it. So we need to remove the stock mirrors. So that's going to be removing those caps, and then the hex there should be pretty easy. Hey, stop it. Boop. We interrupt this install to do a how it started, Pittsburgh, Harbor Freight, to how it's going. Snap-on. I bought some Snap-on tools. Not this. This is Pittsburgh, but the actual. So smooth. Yeah. Yeah. This piece is Snap-on, the actual ratchet. It's just super nice. It's the one Chris uses all the time in the shop. And I also bought some little sockets and a smaller one as well. Yeah. It's quality stuff. Oh, there we go. So we figured out you actually don't have to take the top piece off. You can just loosen here. It is backwards. Right? So the right-handed one is backwards.
So that's normal thread.
Yeah, that was regular.
Huh.
All right, guys. So we got the block-off plates here. So this is right. It says right hand. It's for, I guess, twisting right hand. And then these are the reverse thread. So these are going to go in the right side. Grab some Loctite. So we'll drip some Loctite on them, but just for demonstration purposes. That goes into there. And these one threads. It'll be lefty tighty.
Oh, it actually is.
All right. Weird. So they come with these microfibers to use with the screwdriver. Pretty cool. Power.
I mean, they don't even need to be really that tight because they got Loctite on them, right?
Sure. Left-handed power. All right, so next step is removing the stock bar ends. So it's just a hex in the middle of there. Good thing we're not reusing them.
You were really hoping I was going to drop it.
So we are to the point where we're trying to get the inserts of the bars out so that we can get the new bar end pieces in. What's up, guys? Future Blockhead here. Totally realized when going through the editing that we didn't show you guys the actual internal piece of the bar end here. So I've loosened this up. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out just to show you guys why we're doing what we're doing. We basically ground down the spacers so that they would be flat, because this is what the inside of the bar end looks like for a new 2021 Yamaha MT-09. There is a rubber insert, if you guys can't see that. So yeah, there is this rubber insert, and that rubber insert is damn near impossible to remove. We weren't able to remove it. We put a bolt in, tried to pull it out, tried to insert a pick around the outside for that. So instead of removing that to use the expansion with the adapters that we got, what we did is we took those and we just repurposed them and we ground them down so that they will fit. That part of the adapter goes like that, and you can use the stock bolts to go back in. I know with previous MT-09s, they don't look like this, so the adapter combination setup is different, but this is what it looks like for the new ones. Just so you guys are aware of why we are doing what we're doing next. We're basically gonna jump on the grinding wheel. We grind down the adapters that we got so that they would fit and work with these. So, all right, back to that. All right, guys, so we got the bar and piece
Ground down.
grinder wheeled down. So it sets off pretty perfect. Go ahead and throw a bolt through it, put some Loctite, snug her down. So squish around. All right, so yeah, that's how you install that one. Pretty much the same for the left, which will grind the piece down. Basically just making sure that they're angled the same here. So before I tighten this one down, so they're these are pretty much same spot. The back side, they're pretty much same spot. So yeah, that's it. So we'll go ahead and insert the screw, tighten this one down. All right.
Mirror done.
All right, mirror on the left, mirror on the right. Maybe you need to squeeze through some cars. Boop, boop. Awesome. Links down in the description below. You guys saw the profile beforehand, you know, it was like, you know, mirrors are way up. Basically, there was the mirror beforehand, sticking way up like that. And then remove. Bam. So, much more clean profile to the bike. Looks good. I like it. Quality mirrors, they feel really good. What do you think?
The one time I rode this already, like the mirrors were just nothing. I could see pretty much my shoulder and half my chest, and then like this much behind me or to my side.
Yeah, I looked at my arms a lot with the stock mirrors. They just don't go out far enough. And so with these, I mean, they go out plenty far enough. You're basically looking like over the top of your arm, and you can see just fine with them. So unfortunately, it does require some modification. There's probably some kits out there that you could use where it would make it super easy, but we just went ahead and used what we had. Used an angle grinder and a bench grinder to get the job done. That's how you install those. If you guys are using the grinders, be sure to wear your safety squints. If you have a shop dog, be sure to make sure he's not eating stuff like mine is right now.
Hey, come on.
If you guys are interested in the mirrors and the little block off things, I did order these and these separately, but I will include links to all of that down in the description below. Big thanks to Wes for the help, much appreciated. If you guys have any questions on this, let me know though. I think it's probably one of the, with these mirrors anyways, that I've seen one of the first videos out there for the MT-09 SP. One of those downsides of getting a newer bike is that, you know, you're not gonna have manufacturers that have stuff that is gonna directly fit it. But like I said, I'm sure there's probably something out there that we could have used that would have made it easier, but we just used what we had. Ain't that right, buddy? Here, put these on. You look like Bono. All right, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do me a favor, hit that like button. It tells YouTube that we're doing a good job, helps to recommend the videos as well. If you guys aren't subscribed already, you want to see more moto content like this, hit that subscribe button as well. Hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. And until next time, ride safe, stay vigilant. Catch you guys on the next one.